Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to switch the normal account, Pinterest account, to the business account on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to convert a normal account to the business account. So first of all, click on the unsaved option and click on your profile picture. Now you just need to click on the account management. Now, after clicking on the account management, you have the option called convert to business account. So your normal account will be converted to the business account to grow the business brand with look like ads, analysis, and more options. Click on that. Now here, convert to the business account. Grow your business or brand with look like ads and analysis. Your content and profile photos will stay the same. You can reverse the change in the setting. So you can just click on the convert account. So now add your profile. So here you can just add your profile name here. So people help to find your business or brand, and click on the next option. Now here you just need to add your website. It will appear on your profile. You are like a youtube.com or your website name. So if you don't have website, no website. Then you can describe your business like blog or create or influence or whatever, and click on the next option. Now could you even be interested in running the ads in Pinterest? So you can just change this whenever you just need it and just go into yes, click on the next option. Okay, now your normal account has been changed to the business account. You have the creator hub here. You can access your views. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.